All right, let me make sure everything's on. All right, let's give this a shot. Okay, let's do a couple things. Let's make sure we understand how to graph. All right, so if n is less than or equal to -5, and I have a number line, I think this is one of my questions that I had. What do I draw? At -5, I draw what?
Filled in circle.
A closed circle, right? So I close circle because it's equal to, right? So it's less than or equal to. And then I'm saying n is less than that. Does it go to the left or to the right? The left. Yeah, makes sense? Are we good with how to draw these? Okay, let me do another one. -2 is greater than or equal to v. So at -2, it's a closed circle. And do I go to the left or to the right? Nope. I go to the left. Because v is less than -2.
Oh, yeah.
All right, common mistake, right? When the signs fully flip sides. Now, if you watched the video before, I always say you could test it out. All right, let's say we went the other way, and we would test on the -2 greater than or equal to 0. Is that true or false? That's false. So I know I went the wrong way. So if you question which way to go, then you can test out your numbers. When do I not do a closed circle? Yeah, so like if I were to do r is greater than 2, is that an open or closed circle? An open circle. So it's open circle. Do I go to the right or to the left?
To the right.
I go to the right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yes, good? Make sure you write this down. Yeah. If you haven't written this down on paper, if you know it, don't worry about writing it down. Right? If you're solid with it, it's fine. All right, let's talk about, and maybe this was the issue. I jumped. Well, I say this: 90% of my kids, 90% of the students had no issues with it. So I think I chose correctly on what to assign you guys last time. But let's look at the basic formula first. Sorry, form first. I need to solve this first. What do I need to do to solve
This
this?
should be the property. Or
No,
This should be.
not distributed. There's no multiplication there.
Wait,
let me
says-
cook.
I need to add 7. Gives me -5 is greater than x. So again, I go to -5. Open or close circle? Open. Do I go to the left or to the right?
To the right. Wait, left. Wait, right. Wait, hold on.
All right. Okay, which one works? Is -6 less than 5 or is -4 less than 5? -6 is less than 5, so we need to go to the left. Well, you kept on saying left, right, left, right.
I said left.
Cha-cha-cha, like come on. Like,
He said right.
does this make sense? We good with single step, right? This is one step inequalities. Let's do another one.
Hey, we don't have ice on our paper.
These are easy ones, right?
Minus
The other ones I gave you were hard.
Oh, it's already solved.
No, it's not already solved.
I got help on the other ones though.
Okay. I had to see what what level you guys are at. You know, right? I mean,
Wait, hold up. Let me go. Is 8 over 3 greater than?
what?
Is 8 over 3?
Huh? Say it again. I didn't hear you. You sure? Okay.
It'd be like 1 over 3.
Times it by
I'm gonna multiply it by 3, right?
Oh.
What's happening? N is being divided by 3. Or, what I actually would like for y'all to think about is N is being multiplied by 1/3. Everybody? Okay. I'm trying to introduce you to a little bit higher level concept with division, right? Division is just multiplying by a fraction. When we get rid of a division, or when we get rid of this, how do we get rid of it? We multiply it by our reciprocal, which in this case is 3. When I do to one side, I do to the other. All right, open or close circle at 9.
Open.
Open. To the right or to the left?
Left.
Wait,
If we go to the left, we're going to say, is 7 greater than 9?
Oh,
It's to the right.
Oh.
my bad. I keep forgetting you're switching.
Let me go back, yeah. That's super, like, easy, common mistake that you do all the questions right, and then when you get to, you mess that up. Don't do the hard stuff. Correct, and the easy stuff back.
Wait, hold on. Let me.
All right.
Alright, I'm done.
All right, we ready to go to a little more challenging?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to the work that we did in SAT. Did anybody watch my video?
I did
Yeah.
some of it.
Not even gonna lie, I did not like that.
I know some people didn't because they did all the work, and my video very clearly stated only do the odds.
I mean, you said it in the description though.
All right, how difficult? Let's do this one. This was one of your problems that you need to do.
So you would add 2 to the negative.
Yeah. So first, I would combine my like terms. I want to simplify my sides first. So it'd be 3 is less than
Negative.
-3n. Now, right off the bat, we have what makes inequalities different. What's my next step?
You divide.
I divide by
Negative 3.
-3. But and what happens to my inequality?
Flip the sign.
I flip the signs. So it goes this way. That is the main thing that's different with inequalities. When I divide or multiply by a negative, my sign flips. Not adding or subtracting. Multiplying or dividing.
Only when it's by a negative.
Say what?
You only flip when it's divided by a negative.
Correct. All right, so we good with this one?
Yeah.
This makes sense. Anybody question on this one? I'm gonna do one with the distributive property. All right, so this is number 7.
Wait, hear me out.
Wait, is 1
So -4 is
2, and you distribute that to the
No,
6.
minus 4.
No, don't do that.
Four
Don't do
is
that.
4 times 6n.
Okay. So what do we want to do first? We need to get rid of our parentheses if we can first. So we need to distribute that we distribute a -4.
Oh, negative 4. Negative 4 times 6. And then negative 4.
Oh. You did not do
And then now we combine our like terms on the left side.
Now I'm going to combine like two. Now, could I have subtracted 6 first?
Maybe.
Yes. No, not bad.
I don't know. That's a good question.
Great question, right?
Should we test it out?
We could. Okay, let's think about this, right? First I'm going to add. Let's finish this and then let's test. So -24n minus. So that's going to give us what? 22 is greater than or equal to 122. Then what are we gonna do next? Add 22 to both sides. Gives me -24n greater than or equal to 144. Divide both sides by -24. N is what?
7, I'd say. No.
Well, what's my sign?
Negative 7.
Less than or equal to.
Oh. It's the yeah.
It's not 7.
8.
Nope.
6.
6.
Close.
But it's
Negative.
-6. All right, so let's test our theory. Could we have gotten rid of that 6 first? Let's test it. So first we're going to do is we're going to subtract. Let me put in a different color. Could we have subtracted 6 from both sides first? That would have given us -4, 6n plus 7, greater than or equal to 114. Well, then we would have distributed like normal.
That is not right, Mr. Adams.
Oh, sorry, 116. Thank you. All right. So then we're going to add 28, and look, it still gives us 144. Would I advise you to do that? Absolutely not. Don't do that. Could it work? Yes. It can work because this multiplication is dealing with this and it's being subtracted. Like, don't do it. A very common mistake is what Jaden was saying, the 6 minus 4. Super common mistake. Even in my college class, they make that mistake all the time. I don't know why, but they do. So what?
You teaching you about?
Yeah, but my college class I teach here.
Oh.
That's my white days.
You're a professor of you about?
An adjunct, yeah. All right. If we can get this one done, then we're gonna do our work for the day.
Oh, I seen this one. Hold on, wait. What? This is one of the questions on paper.
Jaden, that's what I've been doing.
Oh, that's a good point. Wouldn't you distribute the property?
Hold on, let me give you a second. Let me give you a minute or two, okay? See how you do.
Let's discuss.
All right, here we go. Let's do this. All right, what do we do first? We distributed first. -6 minus 42k plus 7 plus 42k less than or equal to -2. Okay, now, here's the whole point behind this one. what do we notice on the left?
That they're both 42K.
They're going to cancel out. So then I say, what is negative? So 42K.
There's no.
Hang on. What is negative 6 plus 7?
1.
Is that true or false?
False.
Wait,
Because
false.
it doesn't work.
It doesn't work. It's false. So there are no solutions.
Oh, Randy, you let me wrong.
But no, I realized my mistake. I
Now-
forgot to cancel out.
So I'm going to rewrite this, and I'm going to rewrite this saying that there is a possible solution.
On the thing, there's no solution.
Oh, I forgot. I showed it go down no solution.
If it was like this, it's all solutions.
All
If it was like that. Is 1 greater than or equal to negative 2?
is greater than.
Yeah.
Right. So no matter what number I would put in there, I'd always get a number on the left
Yeah.
that was bigger than my right.
Okay.
What about that?
You have
Wait,
one
hold up.
solution.
Benny, wait. Benny, shh. Wait. You cook.
Read it.
3.
Is 3 greater than 3?
No, there's no solution.
No solution. It has to have that equal sign in there. Who's, I think Contract. Did you ask me about this? Somebody asked me about this.
Yeah.
Questions?
No.
Good. Okay.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
So if it wasn't greater than or equal to, and it was just greater than, like, would that be no solution?
For the 3?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 3 greater than 3. It was like this. That's no solution. Because is that true? No. So no solution. Just like how when we did the equal sign, right? When we would do it and we get 4 equals 4. Is that true or false? That was true, so it's all solutions. But if we said, does 4 equal 3, is that true or false? That's false, so that's no solution. So you got to read it. And you ask yourself, is 3 greater than 3? And you're going to say, no solution. Other questions? Okay.